Hello and welcome to Yota's Kitchen. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel today. I hope you enjoy what you see. I wanted to talk a little bit about myself. My name is Yota, Yota for short. The reason I put this together is I've been wanting to do this for a few years. I didn't really know how to go about making videos and posting them and how that was going to look on there. So I was a little skeptical and a little afraid, I guess, to try it. And then I had some circumstances most recently, and I decided this is the best opportunity. I'm going to cook, I'm going to videotape, I'm going to figure out how to do it, and I'm going to post them. And I did. I succeeded. So my goal for this channel is to feature good food, not only Greek, but also Italian and American, or any other cuisine for that matter, that I might find interesting or that I might want to share with you. So my goal is new videos every Wednesday with new features. It doesn't matter what it is. I mean, it could be entries, it could be salads, it could be pastries, it could be cakes, it could be cookies, it could be anything, whatever it is that I have on the menu for that week. I hope you enjoy it. So for right now, every Wednesday I'm going to be downloading new material. It doesn't matter what that is. I guess at this point I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy cooking and showing you how to make these dishes. My other goal is to also talk about my food, and I've done that in a different way, a different route. I decided to buy a web page. So it's a blog, and I'm going to be talking about food, and I'm going to be featuring also the food that I'm going to be showing on YouTube. But I wanted a writing platform. I wanted to have the opportunity to talk about food and anything that might interest me that week that I publish. So I hope you visit. It's yo-taskitchen.com, and it's going to be published the first week of April. I'm going to launch it. I hope you enjoy both channels. If you have any comments, any questions, please feel free to write something for me, and I will respond as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Have a great day.